Kevin, what are you doing?
Well, we are out in the garage at the house, and I wanted to check these sliders and make sure they were flat, make sure they were level, because the drawer wants to open all by itself. But the problem I was running into was, well, my level won't fit. It's too long. And I thought, you know, I'll bet there's an app for that. And sure enough, there is. So this is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And I just went out to the PlayStation, or Play Store rather, and typed in bubble level. Not quite level, but you know, it's only off by like a 1/16 of an inch or so. So that'll work just fine. That's just something to keep in mind when you're working wherever you happen to be. You pretty well always have a smartphone available, even if it's somebody else's. So you pretty well have, you know, a level, a compass, you know, whatever it is that you need. Just jump on your smartphone, go look in the Play Store. They probably have an app for it anyways. So just remember, you've got the second most important tool in your toolbox that you need right there on your hip. The first, no, the most important tool, the brain. Use it. Reach down there and hit that subscribe button for me, and I'll see you next time. Man, we have lots of days.